Hi guys, I have a question. Are you still battling with knee pain no matter what you try? Here's the thing. The real issue might be starting at your feet. When your foot biomechanics are off, like when you have a flat arch, overpronation, or joint restriction, it sends stress up into the chain and your knees are the ones that take the hit. That's why at Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic, we combine a targeted foot and knee adjustments with A-line orthotics to address the root cause. Our gentle, precise adjustments restore proper joint motion and alignment, while the A-lines orthotics provides a dynamic support to stabilize your posture and reduce the strain with every step. By correcting your feet strike and how your knees track, we help you move better, heal faster, and stay pain-free longer. So if you want to know if your feet are behind that stubborn knee pain, visit synergyoviedo.com today so you can book your evaluation.